breakfast platter.
What's in the platter?
Classic breakfast with. You want the omelette?
Nah, let me see.
You want
Sit
pancakes?
it right here.
Classic breakfast is.
I'm gonna get a mimosa.
You want both chicken and bacon chicken salsa or just chicken?
$17 for a mimosa is insane.
White
Let me
or
get
cold?
out of that. Okay, it's finally loaded. I have avocado toast, omelet, lumberjack.
What's the lumberjack?
That's the kids under 12 breakfast. Look, you want the kids under 12 breakfast? It comes with everything that you need.
Good morning, welcome to Nana. How are you?
Can we
So we're just ordering
Nah, they don't have
breakfast.
a jacket. You have to bring your jacket.
I don't even know what.
Kayla, you want the same thing?
Look. Yeah, I'll do the same thing. Okay, so the food just came. Let me show you. This is mine. That's my mom's. We got the same thing. Kylie got the kids' meal. He got the omelet.
No. You know the girls' business. So you check it out on all the restaurants connected. So they work all this one company. So you gotta order
So
a big.
everything come from back here all the way up there?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
You have to walk with the food. It's all one company.
This home fries is trash. They gave me the scrape.
What's my mine?
Yeah, give me the bottom of the pot. You like them friend, you really want a good pot.
They know. Alright, so we're on our way to the gate now. It's right here, but she wants to play the piano. Come on.
That was a whole bird inside.
Kylie, that happens at the airport. Bye. Anywho, where they at? Yeah, I don't know.
She got me peanut butter M&M's, my favorite.
Yeah, and it was $5 $5.49 to be exact. I don't know where they at, so we're just gonna sit in the corner. Oh, I see them. Go around. But yeah, we're gonna be in Jamaica in a couple hours. I'm so excited.
I'm scared.
Yeah, she has a sudden fear of planes all of a sudden. But yeah, I'm watching my people vlogging. It's kind of awkward, but I'm gonna just look forward and mind my business. You feel me? I'm gonna sit here. But we found them. We was looking for you over there. Yeah, this is when my hair came out. I didn't get to show. Are you excited?
I am.
Are you excited?
Of course. Coconut water, I want to drink.
Some good pork in festival.
Some roast breadfruit. I don't know. Some KFC. Somewhere.
Even this KFC. we're gonna go to the supermarket and then we're gonna go to the Airbnb.
Callie,
say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna do that. I'm excited for the KFC because I'm hungry, okay? It's not that hot. It's like 80 degrees here. Yeah, they're trying to figure out where to go. But I know.
Early on the burger.
What?
Hey, when this is when this.
Okay, so we finally got back. Got the KFC. Ooh, that got right. I would prop it up, but I'm trying to pick what you rate it?
9.5 out of 10.
The half is crazy.
Half will come later. After hours.
But yeah, so I'm about to eat and yeah, I wish I had something to put the camera down, but I don't. So BRB. Gonna go to the supermarket to get some food for the Airbnb so we can have some food. But yeah, gonna stock up.
Yeah, we need to get some
These
Jamaican
men
money.
here, all they do is just look in your face, and it's annoying me.
They look like barrel. Look
They're
fresh.
just eyeing you like.
I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me.
Alright y'all, so right now I'm about to get something to eat because I'm a little hungry. I made some tea. They have peppermint tea here, and on TikTok I heard that peppermint tea in like the morning or before you go to sleep helps with bloating. So I'm about to warm up some beef patties that we got last night and eat that for breakfast. Low key, I want to wait till we're about to leave, but she said to be ready by 9 and it's 8:59, so I'm pretty sure that's like now. So this is the goods, the goodies. I'm gonna warm it up though, because it's a little, it's like room temperature. I was looking up some pictures, like picture ideas, because I want to take some cute little vacation pics, and I really do not know where to even start, to be honest. So I followed this girl, her name is Michaela Jenilyn, and so I've been following her for a minute, and her pictures are just fire, like fire. Like, hello? So I'm getting inspo from her, and we're gonna see. She's so pretty. And there's some on Pinterest too that I was looking at. But yeah. Alright, yeah, so I'm about to eat my patty. I feel like I be sounding so such like a foreigner when I say certain stuff, even though I know how to say it in Patois, but it's like weird, you know? But I'm about to just, it's how she looks. Okay, so we just stopped to get some breakfast for my mom. Say hello, mother.
Hey.
And now we're about to go to Ochi so we could go on our excursion. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little views when we're driving.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. That the baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I leave me go and shine. accident kills over my. I try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now see what you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to, Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did?
Where we at, Mom?
Bob Marley liner.
Sacrifice, jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming. The thing that jamming was a thing of the past. We're jamming. And I hope this jam is gonna last. No bullet to stop us now. We need to beg, no, we won't bow. Neither can be bought our soul.
So we're about to go on a tour and see. I think this is where he grew up before he moved to Kingston and before he was an adult. So we're gonna see all of that.
All the better right, that our children must unite. Life is worth much more than gold. We're jamming, 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 and we're jamming in the name of the Lord. We're jamming, jamming.
Yeah, so we're waiting for our tour guide to go through. Where you want? The water. Thank you.
So you have a garbage? Thank you.
Don't let them fool you. Or even try to.
Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying. Hear the children crying. Alright, let's get some praise going on. And then we'll be alright. Let's get together and dream restaurant.
Alright, so we just finished the tour. Now we're gonna get something to eat because we're hungry.
You gotta take a picture of your dad by the tour.
This tastes good. If you don't want it, I'll take it.
Yeah, you have a nice taste.
It's not as potent. Tastes good. It has like what you said, Ray and Nephew in it.
Real food, rice.
I know you are the chef. You are the go get it tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so the food just got here. I got some snapper with what's this, macaroni salad and rice and peas and some sauce.
This is sauce for me, right? Is this sauce for me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, the special, that's a special fish for me too. Very gigantic.
You need any ketchup?
Yes,
A
please.
little bit.
Wait a minute, look at me. Do that.
I'm gonna picture this. Escovitch. What's pepper?
Pepper. You want this in on that spoon?
What do you mean?
Up there. You take the first.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you want. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in a your yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, Panellian in the street, and the main and the buck him Lord Jesus Christ. No make him run, no make him out, no make him sleep. Even night more, yeah, dash him when nobody can find us. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Why them all tell them get the plank down? Every guns up, every killer mass up. Mass have a band them in sport, does a clot. Does a man not fit dead the way I feel my lips. No, so you must mad, me killer them no work so. Long as him a talk food too well swag. And now I be gun for anything start up. Fully lock, fully charge and fully carb up. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught.
Good morning, everybody. So today is beach day, and we are going to Puerto Seco Beach in in Ochi or Discovery Bay, wherever it's at. That's where we're staying, in Discovery Bay. But the beach is like 5 minutes away driving, so we're gonna go there, and then I could finally get some pictures because I feel like the pictures I got isn't how I envisioned it, you know. So we're gonna try again, okay? I'm setting my edges right now, and then I need to charge this camera a little bit. Even though the spare battery is charged, I still want to charge this one up, even though I'm probably not going to be recording that much. Let me not say that. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay, so we're gonna get some content today because I feel like I really have not been getting that much footage for this trip, but it's okay. Whatever I put is gonna have to do. And then I'm going on another trip literally next week, so I'll have more footage for that. It'll be in a separate vlog, of course, but listen, girl, we're starting off 2025 with a bang, okay? And don't mind the mess. I'm just a girl and I'm traveling, okay? So not so much. Okay, let me show you guys my outfit. So I got this Jamaica shirt here, obviously in Jamaica, but I didn't get it this trip. I got it when I went in August last year. And then this bathing suit is from Shein. It's a 2-piece. These shorts are from Old Navy, I believe. Yeah, and then I think I'm gonna wear these flip-flops. I don't think they match, honestly. So either these or my Crocs, to be honest, because girl, I'm gonna be barefoot, so it really doesn't matter. But yeah, so after this, what am I gonna do? I'm really just gonna wait for my family to finish getting dressed and finish getting ready, and then we'll be on our way. I'm gonna just use the bathroom before I leave, and then make sure I have everything in my bag because I brought 3 cameras on this trip, and I'm not gonna lie, I plan on using all 3. Well, I brought this one, my Canon, and then my other Canon, my little Digi. But yeah, so I'm gonna use those other 2 for pictures, and then obviously this one for vlogging. But yeah, we're literally, today is beach/picture day. I'm not letting up. They need to take my pictures right. Like yesterday we went to the Bob Marley Museum. You guys seen that. I took some pictures, but they weren't to Kayla's standards, okay? And listen, I'm not even like a picture girly to be like obsessing over pictures, but it's a new year. Like, people need to see me. They need to see this face, okay? So I need to have good pictures to post. Anywho, my rant is over. But yeah, so I'm just going to wait, and then I'll come back when we're heading out.
nah miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them nah stick. Cover them sick. Miss me. Coming up kill two of them up inna this 45 feet, me caught it nah miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them nah stick. Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite.
Thank you. These look good. Hey.
All right, do a taste test, Mom.
Bless you.
You got 8 more years.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Hey guys.
No, you got 9 more years.
Do a taste test.
The rum. Podcast.
Let me try
The
mine.
rum is hitting. You gotta mix. I'm spoiling. The rum is at the top.
Because you're
Show your drink,
you're
Kylie.
messing up the whole.
She got a strawberry daiquiri version.
Oh, and look, and guess who's matching?
I'll try it.
It's sweet. It's like.
If you're the resort, you'll be drinking this every day. Every minute. So you drop down the cup.
The rum is at the top though, but I don't want to mix it because it looks so pretty.
The guy saw this stuff in the bag of the bus. Just make it go.
Get a green cat.
Red tape.
We're in the water. We're here at Puerto Seco Beach. This is our view. The sun is this way, so it might be dark. But this is our view. It's cute. Yeah, these Jamaican men are relentless, child.
You're cute.
What did you say?
You're cute.
But yeah, but this beach feels really nice. I want to go deeper, but
Always coming around.
I'm gonna wait. But the longer you stand, like you slowly sink in. It's nice though.
I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? United States, UK, which part you say? Canada?
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun.
Ready, set, go!
Kill a man, the gang for me gang. Pussy run up in the man. We make a man up. Body a fish up. And water top. In a head back. Like sponge up. This spot. You gotta belly down. Can you make me stop? How you know?
We're leaving now. And I got an ice cream. So yeah, we're about to go try to get a taxi and then go back to the B&B because we're tired. It's been a long day. But I had a great time today though. So yeah. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, TikTok. Goodbye, Jamaica.
We're leaving now. I just realized I never got to show the Airbnb, so here's a little tour. This is the living room area when you walk in, and then this is the first room. Say bye, Mom.
Bye. Put this in the garbage bag for me, please.
And then there's a bathroom. This is the bathroom door. This is our room that we stayed in. And then this is our bathroom. But yeah, and then I'll show you the backyard. This is the kitchen. This is the backyard. It's actually really freaking nice. This is the little gazebo thing. I don't know what to call that. And then this is the view that we had. I'm pretty sure I showed this part. But yeah. So we're about to leave Jamaica. And I just want to make sure that we get the KFC to go. And yeah, I'll be fine. But literally next week, I'm going on another vacation to DR. So stay tuned for that. Let me get outside. KFC.
You get a room for me?